Okay, let's move on and talk a bit about matrices. So probably some of you have seen about matrices a little bit in high school, but certainly not all of you. And so anyway, let me just introduce you to a little bit about matrices, just enough for what we'll need later in this class. I should say, if you want to know everything about the secret life of matrices, then you should take 1806 someday. So, okay, so what's going to be our motivation for matrices? Well, in life, a lot of things are related by linear formulas. And even if they are not, maybe sometimes you can approximate them by linear formulas. So often we have linear relations between variables. And for example, well, if we do a change of coordinate systems, so for example, say that we're in space, well, and we have a point, so its coordinates might be, let me call them x1, x2, x3 in my initial coordinate system. But then maybe I need to actually switch to different coordinates to better solve my problem, because it's more adapted to other things I will do in my problem. And so I have other coordinate axes. And then in these new coordinates, well, it will have actually different coordinates. Let me call them, say, u1, u2, u3. And then the relation between the old and the new coordinates is going to be by linear formulas. I mean, especially if I choose the same origin. Otherwise, there might be constant terms, which I will not insist on. So let me just give an example.